to lock or not to lock your layers. Let's jump in and have a look at why you should be doing it and how it can really help your productivity inside of Procreate. So as we all know, we use layers inside Procreate. It's one of the best features about Procreate. And if we tap our layers menu here, we can see that I've got a lot of things going on. I've drawn so many different things, but let's say we're going to look at this layer 4 on the top. Now, why would we want to lock a layer? Essentially, think about locking a layer as preserving what's on that layer. It's surprising how many people I talk to about Procreate and they still don't know you can actually lock these layers and unlock them as well. Don't worry, it's not a permanent lock or anything like that, but it really can help assure that you save your artwork or save the most important things for when you do want to come back to them. So let's look at our layers again. I want to keep working on the eyes up here, this little part of the face that I've drawn, but I don't want to affect my logo down the bottom there. See if we turn it on and off, my little logo is showing down there. What we're going to do, we're going to slide across and we're going to tap on lock. Now we're going to see a little lock appear next to inserted image. This is going to be great because if I swipe across and try and delete this, it's not going to let me. It's going to tell me that the layer is locked. So when we are going through and cleaning up our artwork, maybe we've created 20 different layers and you're trying to get rid of them, combine them, delete them, and you might accidentally delete it. It's not going to happen when you lock this. I'm always going to know as long as this logo is locked down here, it's not going to go anywhere. Another great feature of locking your layers is when we tap on a layer that's not locked, we get a lot more options in here to adjust that layer. When we tap on a locked layer, we only get a couple. So we still can copy that. We can turn it into a mask, which is really useful, but we don't get the same amount of options that we do on an unlocked layer. Get out there, start experimenting with your locked layers. It can really help you create some amazing artwork and really keep safe those layers where you know you've nailed it and you don't want anything to happen to them.